So before I tackled the heavy duty repair on the side with the dog damage, I took off the Castor wheels. I was actually going to leave them on. One was missing. I was going to use a spare that I had from another project, but then I thought, nope, I want a more modern look for this piece, so I'm taking the 3 Castor wheels totally off. To do this, I took a larger pry bar and a hammer, and they usually just whack. You can whack them right off pretty easily unless they're really rusted. If they're really rusted in there, it might take, a little extra effort with that pry bar and a few more whacks with your hammer, but they will come out. The one Castor wheel was so rusted on there, the little faceplate did not want to be pried off at all. So I ended up taking a wire, and I also tried using my screwdriver to really get in there and pry that away from the bottom of the leg. It did take some maneuvering. In fact, I ended up chipping my screwdriver, so it's not usable. But it did end up being pried away finally. And once I had it pried away enough to get that pry bar in behind, it whacked off pretty easily as well. Now I had all 4 Castor wheels off, and it was ready for the dog repair.